It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We started from a blank canvas without knowing anything about the platform. Lesson after lesson, section after section, we built our understanding step by step. We laid strong foundations by working through layout structures, components and variants, CMS collections, responsiveness, and even more advanced concepts like clamp and the mean function. We met two powerful allies, Grid and Flexbox, and saw how they can work together to create flexible and scalable systems. We also encountered a few Webflow quirks and learned how to solve them or work around them. But of course, we've only scratched the surface of what Webflow can really do. We didn't dive into interactions in depth, variables, forms, custom code, or advanced logic. And that's intentional. A crash course should stay focused. Its goal isn't to cover everything, it's to give you the right foundations and the right mindset to keep building on your own. If there's one thing I hope you're taking away from this course, it's this. Webflow isn't about visual hacks, it's about structure, it's about systems, it's about understanding how layout really works, so you can build with confidence, not by trial and error. And this is definitely not a farewell. On this channel you'll find a full course on building a fully responsive navbar, including mega menus, a complete course on mastering GSAP interactions in Webflow, tutorials on native Webflow features, deep dives into layout systems, creative animations, advanced no-code systems, and small practical tips you can immediately apply to real projects. And as time goes by, I'll keep sharing everything I learn about this incredibly powerful way of building for the web. So this course, it's just the beginning. And if you want to explore everything we've built together, break it apart, duplicate it, experiment with it, the full project is available as a cloneable. You'll find the link to the project along with all the other resources mentioned throughout the course in the description below. Take it, remix it, improve it, make it yours, because the best way to really understand the system is to open it and play with it. There's a whole ecosystem of skills to build, and this platform, it's worth it. And if you found this crash course helpful and want to keep learning together, subscribing is simply the easiest way to support the channel and stay updated with what's coming next. I'll see you in the next lesson. Matane!